social media posting is a must, especially in 2026. But as a business, you're not going to be on one social media platform. You're going to be on at least 3 to 4 5 social media platforms. And you can agree with me that cross posting on all these platforms can be very tiring. And even when you use a scheduling tool, you still have to be going back to the scheduling tool to schedule this every time. So let me just show you a simple system that you can just be updating every time, and it will still be running for you perfectly. This is a better alternative to a scheduling app, if you ask me. Right, so the simple way that we are going to do this is use make.com. Sign up on make.com is actually free, and click create a scenario to create a scenario. So what we are going to use as our database to hold all of our content, and then subsequently we'll just go and be updating that particular database, is going to be Airtable. So just search for here. So you watch for new records. So every day it searches for a new record. So if you don't already have a connection, just go ahead and add it here. So click save. So we direct you to here. So you add a base, which is our content, and then you grant access. Yes, so for our base, it's going to be the name of that. There's going to be content done, and our table is sheet 1, and the trigger is the created time. So for a table, you always have to have like a created time trigger, or the alternative trigger is the last modified time. So I want this to have, I only want to have one at a time, because I only want to post one at a time. So I save this, value field, created time. So we do all, we do this. So let's see if I run this one, does it run? Okay, yeah. So the next thing you want to do is have because what I did upload, they were like links to the pictures itself, the graphics that I wanted to use. So my next module should be an HTTP that calls and downloads that particular link. So what we want to do is HTTP, and which is going to be downloaded file. So we are going to get the URL. No, we're going to get the URL from here, and we save these. Let's run this alone and see if we can. Okay, let's run both of them and see if we can get something. Yeah, okay, so you're able to download that. So the next thing you want is a router, so you can post to your your various social media platforms, say Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, you know. So let's do Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook for this. So let's do LinkedIn. So you want to create a user text post or an image post. If you want to create an image post, you know, the image will be added. So for me, sorry, I'm supposed to have a router first. So I should have a router first. That takes care of this, and then the next thing I need is a Facebook page. So what are we looking for? We want to create a post. We don't just want to create posts, we want to create a post with pictures. So let's take these, create. It already maps that for us. So the caption is going to be, the caption is here. Yeah, so that's the caption, and same goes here. So the title is this. Yeah. This is the title. Oh, I don't think I have. Is this a connection? I still have the. Let's see. I doubt if I still have connection, access to that connection, but let's just see what is missing here. So let's try this other one. Yeah, so that was the problem. So this is working perfectly, and if I go to my Facebook page, I'm going to see this that. So this is the post that has been made. So you can see this was made 3 minutes ago. So yeah, so that is running perfectly fine. So you can also add other platforms like Instagram, maybe Telegram if you want. You can just add the platforms that you want, and every time, instead of directly going to maybe your scheduling platform to upload the content, schedule them. So what you can do is just come to make and set this to run, say, every day. If you want to be posting one content every day, just set this to every day and set a time. So if you want your content to be published, say, every 7 a.m., so what you would do is just set this to 7 a.m. to set this is 7 a.m. and save. So every 7 a.m. this is going to be running and will publish your content. So what you just have to do is make sure that you're updating the Airtable. Make sure that every time maybe content ideas come or you have a new content, you just go to Airtable and dump it, and eventually and it's going to post all your content to all the platforms that you want it to post to. I really hope this helps you and you find this system very, very useful. Do subscribe if you love easy to create automations like these, because I post a lot of them and I promise you're going to like it here. Love you.